Hey guys, today we're checking out GamsGo.com. It's a platform where you can grab shared premium subscriptions for stuff like Netflix, YouTube Premium, Spotify, and even ChatGPT Plus at way cheaper prices than normal. In this short video, I'll walk you through what it claims to do, how it actually feels in real use, plus a full legitimacy check so you know if it's legit or a scam. We'll cover the good stuff, the risks, and my honest take so beginners like you can decide safely. Let's jump in. So basically, GamsGo is a marketplace for shared premium accounts. You pay a small monthly fee, think $5 or $6 instead of $20, and you get instant access to streaming, VPNs, AI tools, and more. They promise real-time delivery right after payment, quick password resets, secure SSL checkout, and 24/7 live support. They even say you can refund within 24 hours if anything goes wrong. First impressions? The site looks clean and easy to use with clear prices and testimonials. Early notes? The prices feel almost too good, which is the main reason people try it. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Advisor gives it a perfect 100 out of 100 and calls it legit with high traffic and positive signals. Other tools like Gridinsoft show mixed results on some subpages, but nothing major on the main site. The domain is about 6 years old, registered back in 2020, so it's pretty established. Overall, it leans trustworthy on paper, but we still have to check real users. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot shows 3.7 out of 5 from over 17,000 people. Users mention huge savings and that it works great for weeks or months, but plenty say accounts suddenly stop working after a few days and refunds are hard to get. The pattern is mixed. Some people are happy long-term, others feel let down. Now for pros and cons from actual use. Well, the biggest pro is you save serious money. YouTube Premium for under $6 a month feels amazing. Delivery is fast and many folks report no issues for a long time. But actually, the cons hit hard. Accounts can get cut off early because of the sharing, and customer service isn't always quick or helpful when problems pop up. Then there's additional evidence and red flags. Plenty of scam reports on Trustpilot and Reddit talk about lost money and short refunds, only 24 hours. Social media has warnings too, plus the owner hides their identity. On the green side, the site has lots of real traffic and many satisfied users who never had trouble. So putting it all together, super cheap prices that work well for some, high trust score, established domain but mixed reviews, plus sudden account issues and support complaints. The picture clearly leans toward proceed with caution. My honest take, it can save you cash if you're lucky and test small, but the risk of wasting money makes me say maybe skip it or just stick with official subscriptions instead. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.